So what is Google My Business? This is a question from a lot of people, and I want to be clear that it has rebranded to just Google Business. That was sometime last year. And so you will see that the dashboard, if you've been using it for a while, looks a little different. But the listing is the same and the value of it is very important. So the first thing is being visible locally. This listing is what gets you found by people that are near you geographically or near your service areas. Another thing is that you need to go through a verification process with Google. So you're building trust with them, showing your business information, verifying that you have this information accurate and tied to you, and you're able to collect reviews. That reviews gives you transparency and trust with new potential customers when they find you online. So there's so many different components just in this one listing that can be so valuable. Even if you don't have a website, this should be something that you have for your business, even if you're just getting started. The next thing is an all-in-one dashboard. This is the simplest dashboard that you'll find in any of the Google tools that are out there. So I highly suggest, even if you don't consider yourself tech savvy, dive into this and really make yourself aware of all the different components so that you can better be found and better maximize your potential online. So where is it? You've probably seen it most commonly on Google search. You can see right here, this is what we call your knowledge board or your Google My Business listing or GMB profile. This allows you to have photos, your business name, some links to either call you, get directions, your website, gather your reviews with some star ratings, and all of the important information for anyone to be interested in contacting your business. Then the next place that you'll be able to see, and this is usually as you continue to scroll down Google search, is the local pack or the 3-pack. So this will show the top 3 results that are localized to the searcher, especially if they use the near me in their search. Just under this, you will see a button that says see more businesses, and that will lead you to the Google Maps. And so you'll see pins for all those businesses, as well as all the information that you just saw on Google search. And showing up with a lot of reviews and a high star rating is what will be the easiest way to get your attention for anyone to choose you over a competitor. Doesn't always mean being the first one, but having more to stand out with is going to be what captures their attention. And anyone that uses the Google Maps app, you'll also be able to see these businesses. So for your mobile users, especially for those businesses that do have an office, dentists, chiropractors, restaurants, bars, anyone that you want foot traffic, making sure that this listing is up to date, accurate, and verified is going to be life or death for your business when people are walking around, if it's tourism or they're just looking for something while they're waiting for an appointment or something else to do. So being near is the biggest benefit for the Google My Business listing. So why should you have it? This is the second biggest question besides what is it? Number 1 is building the credibility with your customers and with Google. I always tell people sometimes we're doing these strategies for Google first and your customer second. And that's because if Google doesn't show your business, your customer won't find you. So you want to build that reputation with Google that you are legitimate, that you can verify your listing, that you answer your phones and your messages, and building up that reputation that Google can trust you and rank you higher. Accuracy, like I mentioned, if they find different information on other websites about your business, they will start making edits to your listing or they will drop your rank. They want to make sure that they're providing all users that go to Google with the accurate information. So if they're checking on your business and find it to be inaccurate, they're going to lose trust in you, and that will affect your business rank. The next thing is your NAP. So if you are just starting out your business, great, you have a clean slate. If you've been in business and possibly changed your business name, your phone number, or your address, you may find that there's going to be some changes that you need to make and possibly re-verify if needed. What you want to do is make these changes to your listings immediately. As soon as you make that change, as soon as you're into your new office, making the change on the listing so that it's represented to Google first and then your customers, and so they don't have anyone going to the wrong location or coming to you during a different time or not being able to contact you at all. These things can build a strong reputation, again, with Google, but also with your customers and being accurate and being available. And the longer you have the listing, the better. So if you're just starting out, excellent, you're starting out on the right foot. If you've been in business and you don't have a listing, starting one now as soon as possible is important. The longer you're in business, the longer this listing is out there, the longer that Google can trust your business for being legitimate and trustworthy. And this listing is actually great for building new relationships with new customers, but also if you've been a customer and you don't remember the business's phone number, you just Google search them, find this listing, and it's right there. So it can be a great source of repeat customers to find you if they've lost your number or don't know your website, to find you quickly and get back into your business.